to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making an Elmo themed cake. Let's get started.
I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I used 2 small balls of white fondant and pressed them into discs. I also used a circle cutter to make sure they're both the same size. I added small black circles as pupils. I rolled out some black fondant and cut out a large half circle and placed it on as the mouth. Then I put some red buttercream in a piping bag with a grass tip. I piped a lot of fur all over the side of the cake. Then I piped more fur around the eyes and mouth on top of the cake. And I cleaned up the eyes since I had smudged some red buttercream on them. I think this cake is adorable. It went pretty quickly, so it's a great idea for beginners who haven't decorated a cake before. The piping was pretty easy too, so perfect for a child's party. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.